Okay, this is how to solve absolute value inequalities. And the first thing to remember is greater than is an or. So greater is an or, and less than is an and. Once you remember that rule, you're just going to turn absolute value problems into compound inequalities. Here's an example. The absolute value of x is less than 3. Well, less than is an and, so I'm going to rewrite it. Negative 3 is less than x is less than 3. And I graphed it. Absolute value of x is greater than 5. I rewrite it. X is greater than 5, or, and here's where it switches, I switch the sign, and I make it a negative. X is less than negative 5, and I graphed it. Going in two different directions, that's how I know it's my or. Absolute value of 6y minus 5 is greater than or equal to 13. Greater is an or, so I'm rewriting it. 6y is less than minus 5 is greater than or equal to 13. 6y minus 5 is less than or equal to negative 13. I switched those two things. I added 5, then I divided by 6, and I get my final answer. Y is greater than or equal to 3, or y is less than or equal to negative 3. My graph is the union of those two inequalities. It's an or, it's a union, negative 3 that way, 3 up, and I have closed circles because it's that or equals sign.